Welcome to a new video. For today's tutorial, let me show you how you can resolve the Windows Security Center service cannot be started. This method that I'll be showing you is a very easy one, so make sure to follow along. First, open the search bar and type Registry Editor, then run it as an administrator. Next, navigate to this, click on System, and find the current Control Set folder. Open it, then go to the Services and locate this. On the right side, right-click Start and select Modify. Change the value data to 2 and click OK. Finally, restart your computer to check if this method solves the problem. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.